Hello there, it's Patricia from Pinky's World. I'm doing a quick rushed card here. I'm doing sketch number 12 in my Christmas cards. And what you get is this circle. Well, you don't get a circle, you get a piece of square and you have to cut your 3.5-inch circle. So this is my piece and I cut away the circle. So for the back of it, I'm going with Misty Moonlight again because it picks up lovely. And I have run this through an old embossing folder that I have, which has a lovely band in the centre, which I really like. Not actually going to use ribbon on it today, but I did like it so that I could have spots at the bottom and snowflakes at the top. So it's from Crafter's Companion, I think it's from. It's not stamped on it. So this is going to be stuck here, and then my thing is going to go across the top. So I'm going to stick this on really quick. So that's that stuck in place. So now I want to add a wee bit of twine to carry this wee bit here to carry my banner. So I'm going to tie a wee knot here. And I want to be able to put, I have collected some white brads that I want to slip into part of this. Whoops, if I can. Could do with a magnifying glass. I'm just trying to slip it through the knot. Sorry, you'll probably not see it because I'm holding it so flipping close to me. Don't seem to be able to get it, so I'm going to open it slightly and put it to this side of the knot so that it'll hold it and stop it from falling through. So I need to put a hole somewhere where I think my banners will go, and the measurements of the banners is all there, the same as I did for the other one. But as long as that hangs down a wee bit, I'm going to put it about here. So we'll pop this in and open it at the back, and that saves you, farting about with glue and stuff, whereas that should hold it nicely for you. I'm going to bring it over and sort of give yourself a wee bit of length. You can always trim it down later. That out of the way. You get gold and silver in that one. And as usual, all the things will be listed on my blog, so I need to pull that in slightly. So only make a loose knot so that you can shimmy it on down a wee bit to where you actually want it. I think that would be okay. So I'll get my other brad. Actually, I'll put my hole in where I think I'll need it, sort of here. Loop this into it at the left hand side of the knot, just so that it's going to hold it. Close that in till you get it through, and then check. I think that'll be okay. I'm not going to be too fussy about it. So we can trim them off a wee bit. And then we're going to stick our banners on. And I want to raise the banner up. Where are you? Dimensionals. I'm actually putting one on it. Do the job tonight. And I want this just to go up slightly. And you have 3 of those. They were 1¼ inches long by 3/4 of an inch wide, and I just cut them in the exact same card. And just add them. Oops. So I put them deep so that I wouldn't be able to slip them out of there. So we can now stick this onto our base card. Just going to do that with glue. So I've just set this onto this with lots of glue because it's embossed. And of course I'm getting a bit of side glue, which I don't like. So I think that's nice against the white, nice and crisp. And we're going to add with snowflakes. I cut these out using 30 days, was it? I think it was 30 days. I used to be on their design team and I had these lovely days from them. They are an American company, I think. I'll just double check for you because they're a lovely wee set. Yeah, 30 designs there, and get a lovely wee selection of days in there. So that's what I'm going with. I'm using the point of this to line it up with the banner. I thought it would just be nice to go with snowflakes for a wee change. And no penguin or anything, excuse me, and we're just going to add these metallic pearls because it'll tie in with the silver. And we'll just go with the silver ones. Pop them in the center. You could use something bigger if you had something bigger. A funny feeling I do have Misty Moonlight gems, but these will do the job. That's just a fairly neat and clean card. There's nothing too much. The embossing sort of gives it a bit of oomph. So all we need now is a sentiment, and I've taken one from an old, well, it just retired last year, Itty Bitty Christmas. I'm going with Happy Holidays in the Misty Moonlight. And we're just going to stamp it onto one of these wee slips that matches the end of the card. I hope I can never see white on white. It's very bad. And that's just going to sit in there. Leave myself a wee bit so that I can actually cut some wee tails on it to tie in with the banner. On both sides. Whoops, nearly forgot. So we'll just stick that on with thinner. Cut these ones down. I think I'll just give it another wee paste because I don't want it wobbling about. And you could mount that up again on Misty Moonlight if you wanted. I didn't bother. Who needs it? So just pop it in there. And it's just very simple. Happy Holidays. Basic and nice. I think it'll be lovely sitting on somebody's fireplace. That's card number 12, sorry, of Kendra's Christmas selection that I've done. So be sure and check out both sections. Remember, all the links are there for Kendra's challenge. Loads of time still to come and join us. And there's 3 fabulous prizes up for grabs. So get in there and join us. And I'll catch us all again next time. Bye.